Hi, dear students. Good morning. So, shall we start? All of you take your textbook. Take page number 26. Do you remember the story? Story of the young caterpillar? Okay, I'll revise it once again. So, listen carefully. Okay. So, in the last class, we were dealing with the story of a young caterpillar. Story of a young caterpillar. So she was born in the summer season. So the baby caterpillar was born in a summer season. And we all know when she was born, she was so hungry. And what did she do? She started eating green leaves. She crawled slowly and ate the green leaves. So after eating a lot of green leaves, she became big and long. She became big and fat. Okay. So what comes after summer season? Is autumn comes after summer season. You know what happens when autumn comes? When autumn comes, the leaves change its color. The green leaves turned yellow. The green leaves change its color to yellow. Okay, so this caterpillar, she was eating in the whole summer season. Now its stomach was full. What did this caterpillar want to do in the autumn season? She wanted to play. She wanted to play. But she was very slow because she was very big and fat. That was why she was very slow. So while she was thinking of playing, she felt so tired, very tired. Why? Why was she tired? Because she was crawling from branches to branches for many days, isn't it? For eating what? Green leaves. So, for many days, she had been crawling from branches to branches for eating green leaves. That was why this baby caterpillar was very tired when autumn comes. Okay, so she decided to take a nap. So she decided to take a sleep, take rest. So for taking rest, what did it do? She found a cozy place. Cozy means comfortable, warm place. So, for getting a comfortable, good sleep, she found a very good place. Where? In the branches of the grapevine. You know what is a grapevine? Grapevine is a plant on which grapes grow. Okay, so this young caterpillar found a cozy place in the branches of a grapevine. Then, after finding this cozy place, what did it do? It made a soft, silky blanket for herself. So, in order to get a comfortable sleep, she made a soft, silky blanket. And what did she do after making this blanket? She rolled herself in the brown blanket and went to sleep. So our baby caterpillar was asleep. She was sleeping. Then what happened? Again the season changed. So what comes after autumn season? Yes, winter season. Winter season came after autumn. And what happens when winter comes? We all know when winter comes, the snow falls, isn't it? Soon winter came and brought the beautiful snow with it. So winter brought beautiful snow with it. So we all know during winter season we like to sleep for a long time in the blankets comfortably, isn't it? We all like to sleep because of cold. So similarly, our baby caterpillar also wanted to sleep, sleep and sleep comfortably in the brown blanket. And the winter gently rocked the sleeping caterpillar and whispered, "Sleep, baby, sleep." So, because of the extreme cold, the baby caterpillar was sleeping, and the winter is rocking the sleeping caterpillar. And she whispered, winter told, what? Sleep, baby, sleep. So, our baby caterpillar was sleeping comfortably in the brown blanket in the whole winter season. Okay, so now again the season changed. So, what comes after winter? Yes, spring comes. Spring season comes after winter season. So, what happens when spring comes? Spring in Malayalam it is called വസന്തകാലം. വസന്തകാലത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രത്യേകത എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്? നിറയെ പൂക്കൾ, ചെടികൾ നിറയെ പൂക്കളായിരിക്കും. പക്ഷികളൊക്കെ നല്ല മനോഹരമായ പാട്ട് പാടും. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള ഒരു സീസണാണ് വസന്തകാലം. Okay, so now the spring season came. And along with spring season, the sun also came with its bright sunbeams. Those the sun started shining brightly. And the plants and flowers woke up from their long winter sleep. So during winter season, these plants would cover with snow. Now the sun came with its bright sunbeams. The snow disappeared from the trees. And that is why the flowers woke up from their long winter sleep. And also the birds sang their songs. Birds are singing sweet songs in the spring season. And the air is filled with sweet smell of the flowers. Very beautiful season, spring season. Okay, the sun rays started falling everywhere. The sun came with its bright sunbeams. Okay, we'll continue. So when the sunbeams came to the little brown cradle, they stopped to rest. So we all know our baby caterpillar is still sleeping, and the sunbeams came to the little brown cradle. The sun rays started falling on to the little brown cradle. So what is the little brown cradle here? Cradle actually means a swinging bed for a baby. Tottil. Okay, so here the brown blanket of the young caterpillar looks like a cradle. Isn't it? Looks like a cradle. Look at this picture here. We can see the brown blanket of this young caterpillar. Okay. And so the sunbeams came to the little brown. Sunbeams fell onto the brown blanket of this baby caterpillar. And what happened? The baby caterpillar began to get very warm under her thick blanket. Okay, because of the sunbeams, the baby caterpillar get warm, very warm under the thick blanket. Nalla choodadichu thodangi because of the sunbeams. And what happened? She woke up and stretched herself. She stretched her body, isn't it? When she felt the sunbeams, when she felt warm under her thick blanket, she woke up from her sleep. the young caterpillar woke up from her sleep. And after waking up, she stretched her body. So we also do the stretching, isn't it? When we woke up from our sleep, we stretch, we extend our hands and legs, isn't it? So when we stretch our body what under a blanket, sometimes our legs and what hands and legs come out of the blanket, isn't it? Similarly, when this baby caterpillar woke up from her sleep, she stretched herself. And you know what happened? Her blanket cracked. Cracked means broken. ആ ബ്ലാങ്കറ്റ് എല്ലാം കൂടെ പൊട്ടിപ്പോയി. So her blanket cracked and she came out to greet the spring. So when the blanket cracked, what happened? She came out. So why did she come out? To greet the spring. Greet means to welcome the spring. She came to meet the spring. But what a change! What happened? She felt a change. Instead of the old dull dress that she went to sleep in, she now had a beautiful yellow and orange one. So when she went to sleep, she had what? An old dull dress. But when she woke up from her sleep, it changed. She had a beautiful yellow and orange colored dress. She was so surprised. She was so happy. And also she felt another change. What? She did not crawl on the leaves anymore. So before she went to sleep, she had to crawl from branches to branches for eating green leaves. Now she did not crawl on the leaves anymore. Why? Because now she had wings. She did not crawl on the leaves anymore. She had wings. Charag. She was so happy. She flew up and away into the sweet spring air. So she was happy. So in order to express her happiness, what did she do? She started flying up and away into the sweet spring air. We all know the season is spring. And why this sweet air? Because the air is filled with the sweet scent of the beautiful flowers. Okay, she was flying up and away into the sweet spring air. And she was playing with the sunbeams, sun rays. She started playing with the sunbeams and with the flowers. The little children called her a butterfly. So now the children, small children, also started calling her a butterfly. She began identifying herself as a butterfly. That is, from a caterpillar, she became a beautiful yellow and orange color butterfly. We can see that picture here. It is a yellow and orange color butterfly. Okay. So now this caterpillar, our young caterpillar, became a very beautiful butterfly, and children called her a butterfly. Okay, so actually this story is about the life cycle of a butterfly. I'll show you. This is the picture of our butterfly. So look at here. So this story tells us about the life cycle of a butterfly. So a butterfly. So here we can see a butterfly. This butterfly lays egg on a leaf. Then what leaf, and what happened from that egg? It became a caterpillar. Okay, then from that caterpillar it becomes what? Chrysalis. Chrysalis means pupa. Then from this pupa or chrysalis, what? An adult butterfly emerges. Okay, So the story tells us about the life cycle of a butterfly. How an adult butterfly emerges from a caterpillar. Okay, so that's all for this story. So here in this story you have to write a few more what new words. Okay, as a continuation you have to write it in your notebook 5 times. Okay, cradle, cradle. Cradle means a swinging bed for a baby. Cradle. Then second word thick. Then next word stretched, stretched, stretched. Then cracked, cracked, cracked. Then beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then greet, greet means welcome. Okay, so write all these 6 words in your notebook 5 times each. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day. That's all for today.